Hi folks, Jason Thompson here with a Cairns property market update through to May 2019. A big thank you to the team at HTW for making these statistics available to share with you. According to HTW, the Cairns economy continues to move ahead with improvements on the employment and labour market front, though there is some suspicion as to the pace. Meanwhile, forward indicators such as tourism and construction are weakening. The Cairns property market is experiencing shrinking sales volumes, but on balance is maintaining a steady state position. Real estate volumes have progressively shrunk during the past 12 months due to lower demand and more difficult finance conditions. The trend number of sales taking place in the March quarter of 2019 totaled 937. This is 14.7% below the levels observed in the March quarter of the year before. Property prices for houses have been largely unaffected by reduced sales activity over the last 12 months, and their median price trends holding at essentially unchanged levels. The rental market has been essentially unchanged over the last 2 years, with rental vacancy rates continuing to indicate tight, verging on stressed rental market conditions. Low rental vacancy rates have consistently placed mild upward pressure on rents in year-on-year terms over the last 6 years. Over the last 12 months, the Cairns weighted average median rent has lifted $15 a week for houses and $5 a week for units. Building approval figures have shrunk to very low levels over the last 4 months and remain on a downward trend. The low levels of new building approvals highlight the parlous state of the residential property market at present, as well as the tough competitive state of new housing construction due to difficult finance conditions and price pressures from sales in the established housing market. And finally, HTW's National Property Clock is prepared each month based on the local market perceptions of its Australia-wide network of offices. Even though the Cairns market has been experiencing reduced levels of sales activity, they continue to regard Cairns as persistently in a steady state position. Well, that's it for this update, folks. If you'd like to have a chat about anything to do with finance or property, I invite you to connect with me. Until next time, it's bye for now.